Hey MSA, welcome back. So the plan for the next couple weeks is that we're going to review one investigation per day. The first couple investigations, there were not originally extensions for you guys. I was just kind of trying to get a handle on life, online schooling and stuff like that. But since you guys are super capable, I did add a little bit of extension to each one of those investigations. You'll be able to see that in the review, and we can go over that in class before we start our big class review. It's not going to be anything too crazy, like it's stuff that you guys already know how to do. It's just kind of like taking the questions to a slightly next level that you guys are super ready for. There is one new concept in the Investigation 3 review that I'll talk to you guys about. We'll teach that like at the beginning of the lesson when we start sync session. But really, that's the plan for the next couple weeks. Just one review each day. You'll see what the extensions are, what you need to know for each one, and that should get you super ready for the final. So that's it. I'll see you guys soon.